ang pinakamalaking buyer ng budget sa DPWH, ayon sa aking impormasyon, ay si Congressman Edwin Garjola. Ang ibig kong sabihin po dito ay siya po ang pinakamalaking buyer sa buong bansa. I think that the ICI's investigation so far has been focused on what is publicly available, where the missing information is who proposed the project. If we establish who is the proponent of a project, then the ICI can open up a whole new
Can of worms.
Can of worms, or to use my own words, a whole new category of cases. Because as you know, the ICI is focused on ghost projects because that can be easily proven without any documentary evidence. But to prove conflict of interest, you need documentary evidence. So that is what I showed ICI. The biggest proponent in the DPWH budget was Zaldico. The third biggest is Vizcaya. The second biggest is Edwin Garjola.
And he's the
So I can say that the ICI confirmed my own research that the biggest contractor in Congress now is Congressman Edwin Garjola. And the reason why he has not been pinned down so far is because the key is documentary evidence on who are the proponents of projects, whether in the DPWH or in Congress. And when the documentary evidence is released, then it opens up a whole new category of possible cases that can be filed by ICI.
Wala kaming ganun statement. Wala pa kaming ilalabas na ganun statement. Tinitingnan namin nga dito yung mga proyekto, no? Kung saan man pupunta, kung ano man meron ebidensya sa namin, or kung ano man yung naibigay sa amin na ebidensya, i-verify namin yan. Now, nakita naman yun sa mga referrals namin. Kung sino man ang tatamaan ng ebidensya ng isasama namin, regardless kung sino man yan, kung either congressman yan, from DPWH or any other officials, sasama namin yan.